Hello everyone, welcome back to another Unreal Engine tutorial. In this video we are going to looking at objective system. It works like that. Player should follow this first objective and then go to next one. By after completing this objective he need to follow another objective. So let's start today's video. So I have this third person template in Unreal Engine 5 version. So I will create an empty folder for this project as test system, and I will create a folder for blueprints. In here I will create an actor blueprint for quest manager as BP quest manager. So this blueprint will manage all quests in this system. So and in this video I'm going to show you to add different kind of quest systems. There will be two systems, follow a path and fire a lit a fire system, like that. For that I will create first follow path blueprint. BP quest follow path and BP quest lit fire. So according to this quest system in my video, the player should have to find a place, and then there is a fire that the player should be the player should light, and then he need to go another place. So these two blueprints are working for it. So first I need to create another blueprint interfaces, one interface for blueprint quest manager and another blueprint for other single quest system. So this is for quest manager. Function as done quest, and another blueprint interface for API single quest. In here I need to implement the function as start quest, and we need to add the parameter and add the actor parameter, actor input. I will pass test manager in here, and another thing I should do is I need to create a widget blueprint to display the quest objective. I will name this as WDG instruction. So I will add the canvas panel for this, and then I'll add text, and this text is for the objective, and I will make this auto wrap text. So if the objective is so much big, it will wrap automatically to this size. and I will remove this text. I will name this as instruction and make this variable, and in here I need to create a custom event for set this text. Set instruction. So we need to set this instruction text by using set text function, and we need to get input from the set instruction function. So yeah, now I need to implement this widget in the player blueprint. So I find this blueprint and find the event begin play, and in here I will create this widget. And the class is this WDG instruction class, and I will promote this as variable instruction widget, and I will add this add to viewport. So yeah, it will in the view now. So now let's create this quest system. So in the quest manager, first I need to delete them, and let's create an array for all quest objectives. So I will name this as quest array, and the data type is actor. And I need to make this as instance editable. Another variable I need is quest index. So we can take this index and start the quest according to that, and the variable type is single. In the beginning play, let's make some delay to make it more realistic. I will add like 1, and then take this quest array and get copy from this index. This index is 0 for in the beginning, and let's call start quest, and we need to pass self as the quest manager. So yeah, now let's implement this start quest function in this follow part. Let's implement this interface single quest, and let's implement start quest function. Let's promote this as quest variable, and then now we need to get a reference for this instruction widget. So let's take the get player character, and let's cast this bb third person character. Let's promote this, and let's get the instruction widget, and let's call the function set instruction. Let's make this as a variable as instruction, and let's make this instance editable. Yeah, Now let's add this to the word. For identification purposes, I will add a billboard to this. Otherwise, it's hard to identify this blueprint in the world. This is the quest manager, and as a first quest, I will add this BB quest follow path. So let's add this in the 0th index to this array. So let's see it's working after 1 second. I forgot to add an instruction. Let's add like hello world. Yeah, it shows the objective now. So now I need some way to finish this. I mean complete this objective. So I will add a box collision here. For now I will untick this, and let's add this one component begin over. So if other actor if someone overlap with this, it will call that done quest function. So let's add this quest manager. Let's take this quest manager and call done quest. So let's implement this done quest function here also. Done quest. Before that we need to implement the interface test management. So compile and then create done quest function. So after done one quest, the quest index should be increased by 1. Add 1 and set this as here, and let's check this array index is valid or not. If it is valid, we can get this next quest and call the start quest function. Let's pass this as self. Yeah, now let's make this as find the fire port. And then let's implement this another blueprint. It should also have the interface this single quest, and let's implement the start quest function, and also here we need this to be promoted, and let's copy these and paste here. Let's create this variable player, and this also. Yeah, and in here we need to go near to this place and fire light the fire. So let's add some cylinders here for now. Yeah, this is our fireplace. So let's add the instruction as in here. Find the first instruction to find the first place. In here we need to set the instruction as we need to make this instance editable first and set the instruction as find the fire put and light the fire by pressing E. To do that, let's add the box collision here also, and let's scale up a bit. Let's untick this and let's implement this on component begin overlap and on component end overlap. When the player is starting begin overlap, let's enable input for this. Yes, player controller, and let's disable input here. Let's add the action input for light the fire. In inputs, let's add an interact. Now let's add interact function, and before doing that we need to we don't have any fire effect, so I will add this starter content and get fire from that. So I have this fire emitter, so if I press the interact key, it will spawn enter at location. I will add the fire and get actor location as the location, and also we need to show a print when the player is being overlap. If player interact this button, we need to call end quest function, done quest function, sorry. Find the first place, it's here. There's an issue. I think I couldn't. I forgot to add the next quest to this array. Now find the fire pot and light the fire by pressing E. Yeah, it's working. And let's try adding another quest for here. Let's add another quest follow path, and we'll add the instruction follow here to enter game, and let's add the reference to the quest manager. Let's see. Current objective is find the first place, and this is the first place, and then it will show the find the fire pot and light the fire by pressing it. Let's find this and press E. It will light the fire, and then go to the next place. Yeah, that's it. So this tutorial video is over. Thank you all for watching, and have a nice day.